Welcome to our channel, where we simplify neuroscience for you in just a few minutes. Hearing loss can be an incredibly frustrating condition to deal with. Most cases of this condition require long-term treatment or can't be reversed at all. However, scientists recently made a surprising discovery that can reverse hearing loss. Let's learn more about it. When you begin to lose your hearing, you'll have difficulty engaging in fruitful conversations with loved ones and enjoying your favorite movies and songs. It can also contribute to mental health conditions like depression, anxiety, or even dementia. Progenitor cells are essentially stem cells that differentiate to create mature, specialized cells. In the inner ear, these cells generate hair cells when humans are in the womb, but they become dormant before birth. Humans are born with about 15,000 such hair cells in each cochlea, which is a hollow, spiral-shaped bone in the inner ear. The cochlea plays a key role in transducing sound waves into electrical impulses that can be interpreted by the brain. The cochlea's hair cells die off due to age, or when they're exposed to loud noises, certain drugs, antibiotics, or chemotherapy treatments. Once they die, the dormant progenitor cells do not regenerate, and thus it results in hearing loss. Frequency Therapeutics, a biotechnology company, is seeking to reverse hearing loss using this concept as a fundamental in its regenerative therapy. The company uses small molecules to program and stimulate the progenitor cells to recreate tiny hair cells, hence reversing hearing loss. Frequency's drug candidate will be injected into the ear to regenerate the cells in the cochlea. The results of the clinical trial were promising, where the improvements in people's hearing were measured by the ability to understand speech and recognize words. Speech perception is Frequency's top goal, since it's the most important priority for those with hearing impairments. After the first clinical study, it was observed that there were significant improvements in speech perception in some participants after a single injection. In some participants, the responses even lasted nearly 2 years. This approach offers several advantages over gene therapies. The latter relies on extracting patient cells, programming them in a lab, and finally delivering them to the right area. Needless to say, this is quite a tiresome process. As for the future, this discovery of reprogramming progenitor cells could have applications for multiple sclerosis, where a drug could be used to simulate the generation of cells that produce myelin, an insulating layer around the nerves of the brain and spinal cord. Most MS therapies focus on suppressing the immune system, but this innovation by Frequency will focus on generating myelin. We'll leave you with a fun fact. Sitting close to loudspeakers at a concert can damage your hearing in as little as 7.5 minutes. If you enjoyed the video, smash the thumbs up button, click on subscribe, and hit the notification bell to catch our next episode.